Yeah, man, I gotta just keep it compact, you know?
Wow. Whatever it is you bring there.
This one's just a mic, just so I can get clear.
Audio.
Alrighty. So, was the same as last week.
Hi.
Feeling good.
Mm-hmm.
No injuries, no nothing.
Perfect.
I've enhanced my working out now to 4 or 5 hours a day. So and I did it smart. Like I didn't go straight into it, and then like if I feel anything, like today this morning, I woke up, my ankle hurt a little bit, and my shoulder hurt a little bit, but I got a massage, and then I was like, I should have went to class. So it's more of just muscles growing versus like when we first started, where there was a ton of pain. But I'm also taking the precautions because I did 6 hours yesterday.
Oh, wow.
45 minutes being mobility, and then I took some breaks in between.
Good.
And then I skipped a warm up because I'm warm from the class beforehand, so that way I can like give it all my all. But we're going in the right direction, so I just need a tune-up.
And good eating, right?
Yes. I'm making sure the nutrition is down packed. I'm doing multiple smoothies, coconuts. I'm getting at least 200 grams of protein per day.
Great.
I'm making sure everything is done properly.
Cheers. Right, let's
All
start
right,
then.
I'm gonna change. And then
Please, that's the course, right?
Yes, because I'm soaked from the rain. Again.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm just resetting the camera.
Hi. Wow, this is just rainy the whole day.
Yeah.
It's weird.
It's good though. So we need water from time to time, right?
We do.
It's one of those things where you get there, trying to get the feet as well. Yeah, so I'm not mad at it. It sat me down today.
One of the leg is lifted. Careful with that. Yeah.
Okay.
You got abs.
Yeah, everybody's been telling me that. There's a guy in my gym that he's like so much better of a boxer than me, and then we did body punches, and he was like, "Oh, I picked you, and you got abs." I'm like, "I don't have abs yet." He's like, "You got abs." After my workouts, I do an ab workout from one of the pro boxers at my gym.
Wow.
And then, so we do 50 of like 5 different, like, what's it, 2, 4, 6, so 7 different movements. One you do 2 times, so 8 different things. And then I do that now twice a day. So my morning session and my evening session, I'll end with that. I have another guy who does another set of abs, and I do that with him. And then, okay.
Yeah.
And then we do some stretching as well. So I'm trying to learn how to do a split as well.
That's perfect. Splits are not easy.
Yeah.
You need to make sure that you can reach your your heel goes to the butt easy.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
It's still
there yet.
locked.
Yeah, it's not there yet.
but
Yeah, I'm working on it.
I look at it. I see it. I see progress.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
The thing about Asian squats,
Mhm.
you know, when you just sitting on your on your leg like that.
Mhm.
It's actually everybody does that. Everybody can do that. when you were a child. Right?
Yeah.
The thing about that is just the force of what habit.
Yep. Yep.
Not habit actually. It's more culture, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
In the Western countries.
Yeah. We don't do it.
You are taught not to do it
Mm-hmm.
by the by the sitting toilet,
Mm-hmm.
by not doing stuff on the ground. We used to play marbles
Yep.
on the ground, right?
Mm-hmm.
So squatting there, playing with your friends.
Even back in the day when you had video games, you would squat in front of the TV.
Yeah, yes.
Right now the TVs are so big, you need to sit so far away.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm still pretty stiff, but I'm working on it.
No.
I'm working
It's a
on
lot of progress.
Yeah.
Imagine you can do squat by mid-year this year.
Oh man. I'm gonna bring my wife by too, Putu. My wife comes in February 1st.
Oh, cheers.
Yes, I'm gonna bring her by and see if, have her get a.
I think she's really interested about coming to Bali. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of changes.
Yeah, cause she's been here. She was here like 4 or 5 years ago.
Oh, totally a lot of changes.
Mm-hmm. So I'm excited to have her coming.
Yeah.
I'm taking her to all my spots, like everywhere. She's always so amazed. She's like, "You have a whole life in Bali." I'm like yeah.
Well, you should praise her too for all her support.
Oh no, for sure.
She's amazing.
Yeah. How's the neck feel? Like I've been working on it, like stretching. Is
It's
it?
a bit tense here.
Yeah, it's always tense. Is it more than usual or a little
No.
better? Okay, about the same. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, the new assisted stretching place I tried out. They do this whole really good stretch on the neck.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's gonna set it apart.
Okay, cool.
The lady I go to get massages from, I have to tell her like a little bit less on the neck, cause she'll like stand on your neck. I'm like, no, please, no, I can't take it.
What do you mean extend?
No, stand. Like.
Oh no.
I'm like, no, please, no.
When you do that, yeah, not on the neck.
Yeah. Especially like that top part is already pretty tense.
Oh yeah.
And with the traps, I don't mind because
Oh yeah.
my traps are so dense.
Oh, left side is worse.
Yeah, because I'm left-handed.
Makes sense.
How's your training been going?
What?
Your training.
Well, just 1 hour in the morning.
Gotcha.
And that's it.
Got it.
Don't have much time.
Much time, yeah.
And not enough energy to do it in the evening too.
Yeah. After doing all the rubbing out people like me.
Oh, I. This is enough pressure for the neck.
Gotcha.
Not stepping on it.
Yeah.
Relax for a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Relax. That's nice. sir.
Good. Good. I didn't realize the traps are that tight.
Why?
I've been like editing my videos and I see my back and I'm like, wow, that's me? Like my back is so much bigger than I know it to be. I was like, I need a new tattoo. My tattoo look too small now.
I agree. Well, see how it goes first, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't mind the tattoos. It's just a complimentary.
Yeah.
The muscles, the build, that's the foundation.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at it, I was like, wow. It's funny because it was like, the first footage I saw was like, it was my back. And I was like, is that me?
Well, you worked hard for it.
I definitely have. And then adding the weights now has definitely changed up a lot as well, because what I like about our strength and conditioning programs at the gym, they're like, you know, you lift weights, but they also help you enhance the skills. So like you'll take medicine balls and rotate and do different things that directly translate to jiu-jitsu or kickboxing or boxing.
It's not just weightlifting.
Yeah.
It's not just being bulky, but being flexible and move and nimble. That's
Yes. And that's my goal. I really want to be more nimble.
kind of like that word.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
Wow, I really didn't realize how.
Tight, yeah?
Yeah.
It's amazing. I see a bit of tension more on this side than this side.
Got it. Yeah, it's,
Probably same because of the left side, right?
Yeah, it's definitely that. I've been using my right a lot more because obviously they make us throw a ton of jabs.
Great. Oh, so you do softball style?
Yeah, yeah, yes,
That's not easy
yeah,
for the other guy.
yeah. Especially once I'm able to kind of get more balance on my feet and less like, cause I'm flat-footed.
Gotcha.
So that's been my hindrance in training.
Yeah.
But once I kind of crack that code, I think it'll really help because right now I think so much about like where my feet are and also trying not to be flat-footed, like keep my heels up, but it hurts a little bit. But this week was the first week my kicks didn't hurt because normally it hurt my lower back, but some adjustments that's being made now of like not bringing the ankle, the heel up so much when I click.
And the supporting muscles, you would be surprised to know that inside your foot there are a lot of small muscles.
Yeah,
And they get stronger.
yeah,
So they help support the shape of the whole feet, the whole foot, yeah.
mm-hmm,
And you get to feel the changes there.
yeah,
It wasn't easy in the beginning.
yeah. I'm also thinking about starting up just some small sprints just to kind of help with my motor a little bit.
Oh wow.
And we have a treadmill, like one of the ones that, the manual treadmill.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I was thinking about starting with that and just seeing, because like obviously whatever you give is what it allows you to do. And I don't have much speed and I don't have much endurance yet, but I wanna try it and just see what happens. I have some really good running shoes that I brought with me,
That's great.
so I'm just gonna try it out.
So you haven't been running for a while?
No, like so I live near Central Park in New York City.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, that's
And
great.
so I used to run around it a lot, and I got to a point where like I can do 2 laps around Central Park, which is like what people do to train for marathons.
Wow. Cool.
But my left calf kept getting injured, and then
That's unfortunate.
yeah, and then I would be that person that's like, I'll just run through the pain, and that's the worst thing you can do.
True.
So
Your body is letting you know
yeah,
you're not comfortable. It's different between being uncomfortable of the growth
mm-hmm,
and having an injury.
yeah, yeah,
And with time, you should recognize
yeah.
which one is.
Yeah, now the other thing too now is like, especially during this situation, I'm limited on time. Like even though it's a lot of time, but I'd rather take a day or 2 off and then be able to train the whole time versus push an extra day or 2 and then have to sit again. Like I've learned that lesson. Like allow the body to recover, listen to my body,
Yeah.
be more cautious.
Yeah. Well, go and run. That's what I'm suggesting.
Yeah.
You do burst runs,
Yeah,
but before that, you need to be comfortable running at about, I would say, half an hour without stopping and
Okay.
comfortably with. So if you can run 5K for 30 minutes, that means your heart rate is already your heart, your lungs, and everything is already in a strong
Yeah.
enough position
got it.
to start burst running.
Yeah,
So you run slower than your normal
Yeah, max.
run pace.
Mhm.
Yeah, like if you're running 6.5 minutes per kilometer,
yeah,
then you start by doing 7, and then after a minute you run for, I would say, try 15 seconds first,
okay,
as fast as you can.
Yep.
And then back to the same
Same pace,
speed.
yeah.
And do that for 2 minutes, and then do it again.
Got it.
So burst running first, and then you build up the speed from there. You play with it. You do 6.5, and then you run as fast as you can for 15 seconds, and then you do 20 seconds, and go for it.
Yeah. Wow. It's funny because I'm so used to having back pain. Like, it's funny to not feel any pain.
That's amazing, man.
Yeah.
Spot. Relax. And last one. So what's the plan for the day? After this?
I'm gonna go get stretched,
Perfect.
and then I'm just gonna edit video. I'm gonna get some food for the night,
Oh wow. Alright, cool.
and then edit videos, and then
Okay, a little bit. I'm working on with
okay,
this part here.
okay,
I haven't touched this, but you mentioned it, so
okay. I'm not ticklish, so you're okay.
Sorry?
I said I'm not ticklish, so you're okay. You can do whatever you need.
cheers. Oh, you won't feel ticklish.
Yeah, I want. However deep you need to go, I like it. That's my favorite part. Wow. Wow.
Painful?
No,
Good.
feels really good.
Tahan. Coba sini sebentar. Yang sampai sini aja. Yang sampai sini aja.
Iyain.
Bahasa Inggris kan?
Iya.
Oh yang itu. Coba lihat kertasnya dong.
Pasnya.
It's okay ya.
You can go stronger if you like, but it's fine.
makes any changes, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, relax. 1, 2.
Ooh.
Nice. Right, sit straight up for me, please.
Okay.
Elbow, please. Oh, right. Yep. Get the elbow here. Yes. Hold on to your fingers behind your head. Thank you. Relax. Nice. Cheers. Okay. Look down. Tilt your head a bit. Down. A bit. No more. That's perfect. Lay down sideways, please. This side.
Yes, okay.
Back. Relax. The other side, please. Sorry. Okay, put this hand here. Just fall in, relax. That's great. On the back, please. It's okay. Now hold on to the. Straighten your legs, please. Lift up your head. That's the one. Okay, a tiny bit to the center. Yeah. There. Okay, relax, please. Inhale. Exhale. Yep. Heard that? That was loud. Okay, we'll do some cupping?
Yes.
Of course. Close. All back, hamstring, calves.
Yes.
Okay, relax for a minute, yeah?
Yes. When I say that one is my favorite. Oh man, it's like an accordion.
Please stop me, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
One came off.
One more minute, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you. Alright. So that was that. This is like, I do this once a week, but the progression that I'm seeing is like fantastic, and then hopefully I keep putting these little bits in my jaw to move forward. It really pays dividends in a long run. Alright, I'll be back to you guys in a bit after my stretch, or when we get to my stretching location.